Bonjour, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a delightful culinary journey to uncover the fascinating origins of one of the world's most beloved snacks, French fries. You might be surprised to know that the story of French fries is far more intriguing than you might think. Our story begins in the late 17th century in the heart of Belgium, in the Meuse Valley. The tale of French fries is intertwined with the ingenuity of French-speaking Belgians. You see, back then, these resourceful folks used to fry small fish. But when winter arrived and the river froze, fish became scarce. Undeterred, they turned to something plentiful: potatoes. These potatoes were sliced into thin pieces, resembling the shape of the fish they used to fry. And just like that, the earliest version of French fries was born, though they were still a far cry from the crispy delights we enjoy today. These humble fried potatoes quickly gained popularity in the region, becoming a staple food. But it wasn't until the late 18th century that French fries truly caught the attention of the world beyond Belgium. During the First World War, American and British soldiers stationed in Belgium were introduced to these delicious fries. The soldiers, many of whom were in French-speaking parts of Belgium, began to call them French fries. And that name stuck, even though the origin was undeniably Belgian. In the United States, French fries underwent a culinary transformation. Fast food chains like McDonald's played a significant role in shaping the thin, crispy fries that have become an iconic part of American culture. As time went on, French fries became more than just a snack. They became a global phenomenon, adapting to local tastes and preferences in every corner of the world. So, the next time you dip a French fry in your favorite sauce, remember that you're enjoying a piece of history that traveled through centuries, crossed continents, and brought joy to millions of taste buds. Thanks for joining us on this crispy adventure today. If you found this journey into the origins of French fries as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, if there are other culinary mysteries you'd like us to explore, let us know in the comments below. A bientôt!